Story of Shabri. Story of love and devotion to Bhagwan. This story teaches us that with sincere efforts and faith in the Bhagwan, we are blessed with his grace. Krish was a young boy in class 5. He was a devotee of Bhagwan Rama. Every morning and evening, he would chant Sri Rama's name. Not only this, he would often visit Bhagwan Rama's temple to offer prasad and flowers to the Bhagwan. One day he did not do his evening prayer and was very upset. His father asked him, "Krish, why are you so upset? You did not do your evening prayer also." Krish replied, "Bhagwan Rama was supposed to help me. I worship him daily in the morning and evening. I also offer him prasad in the temple. But he did not help me with my Hindi exam. I will not pray to him from now. Why should I worship Bhagwan Rama?" Father said, "Let me tell you the story of Shabri. Then you will understand what is true devotion, what is having faith in Bhagwan, and what are sincere efforts." Shabri is one of the most respected characters in the epic Ramayana. Shabri belonged to a humble family and her life was filled with hardships. She was devoted to spirituality and wanted to know more about it. For this reason, she came to the ashram of sage Mathanga. Although she belonged to a modest family, the sage saw her inner purity and accepted her as a disciple. She dedicated herself to serving the ashram and lived a life of devotion. Before sage Mathanga passed away, he blessed Shabri and told her that one day Bhagwan Rama would visit her. He said that when Sri Rama visits her, then all her wishes will be fulfilled. Trusting his words, Shabri waited for many years, eagerly waiting for the arrival of Sri Rama. Every day, she would clean the ashram and pluck berries from the forest for Bhagwan Rama. She would taste each berry, keeping the sweetest ones for the Bhagwan and the bitter and sour ones aside. Although she didn't know when Prabhu Sri Rama would come, yet she did all the activities daily as if he would visit that day. Finally, after a long wait of many years, Prabhu Sri Rama and his brother Lakshmana visited Shabri. They were searching for Devi Sita, Ramaji's wife, who had been captured by Ravana. When Shabri saw Rama, she fell at his feet, worshipping him with tears in her ears. She offered him the berries she had plucked, despite the custom that food should not be tasted before being offered to Bhagwan. Sri Rama accepted the half-eaten berries with love, recognizing Shabri's devotion. He also blessed her with the wishes to come true. Prabhu Sri Rama's acceptance of the berries is an example to show that pure devotion matters more than rituals or social customs. Shabri, though belonging to a humble background, was blessed with the opportunity to serve Bhagwan Rama because of her strong faith. Her sincere efforts for many years pleased Bhagwan Rama. Father, after finishing the story, asked, "Krish, do you understand anything from this?" Krish said, "Father, I have understood that our devotion and efforts should be sincere and not merely for the personal benefits. Bhagwan sees the level of our faith. Is it strong or weak? I will worship Bhagwan Rama with complete faith and sincerity from today without looking for personal gains." Krish was now happy and this time he did his evening prayers with full sincerity, faith, and devotion.